How to get a custom cursor on the Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to download the cursor. After downloading it, you have to show in this folder and click on this compress to zip file, or you can also go on the show more options. Now once you are in, you have to open up the full screen, and here you have to select these cursors and copy these. After this, you have to extract the tab and click on the OK. Here you have to select the Roblox file. After selecting this, you have to simply apply the changes and click on the OK. Now you have to go on the Roblox, and here you have to click on the search bar and search for the cursor. Now once you are in the cursor, you have to add this in the Roblox, and you have to add the cursor name. Once you add the cursor name, here is all the cursors. Here you have to simply paste that cursor and you are able to get the custom. So yeah, this is how you can get the custom cursor on the Roblox.